Yes, to all my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. You see me? Another update. Today's update is going to be about Jahshii. And what I want to ask my viewers and my subscriber is, who remember when Jahshii said this on stage?
Yeah, let's do that, pause that, stop that. I didn't even too want to talk about it, because my badness is the writer, so. It's the writer, so. So when the media say very, I didn't even listen to them. Because if a boy for ramp with me for real in a real life, which nobody now go sick in a them head for do, you must say, ma, hey, play that then, can you do it? You must say, ma, my God! Wow! One First Nation. And them no know me feel while you get a did in a yal. Yeah, them see the iron in a my yanita pressure me fi fire them.
Viewers and subscribers, let me try to explain this tune in a my way. You see me? As a street youth. You see me? You see, once you're around certain type of people and you're an artist, you have to know what you do. You see me? Because your surrounding can define you, brother. You see me? The same youths them when you have around you can make your career go down, brother. You're just coming at the answer, brother. Look at this, brother. You think this is a coincidence, my youth? People are watching Jahshii. You see me? I say, remember, man, I just what day your name call up on like an incident to go on in your own place. You see me? I don't know if it's true and I don't know if it's false. You see me? Because if the news media come out with it, that means it goes so or it nearly goes so. My viewers and my subscribers will listen to what the policeman have to say about the situation we're going this morning with Jahshii. You see me?
Several gunshots at the Emperor. From what we are told, Jahshii managed to elude the attackers. But 6 persons were shot. From information, they are not life-threatening injuries. We are interviewing and we are processing the scene as we speak. We can imagine that they were blocking off of the roadway, Constant Spring Road, going north in the vicinity from Reddings Road and certainly past Marketplace entrance. But the incident actually happened on Constant Spring Road vicinity Marketplace.
My advice to the artists, you need to get some licensed firearm all around you and protect yourself, brother. Armed security. See them all are showing there. Whisper the crime go down. You see me? Lonely road that I can tell say I want bridge that day, you see me? So any man I run go cross the road, I must jump them and jump over a bridge. Tell me for real. Left or right, over one bridge I go. So you can't escape out of no car and jump out over nowhere. You see me? All you have to do is take cover this and bullet. This a rain up on your car, so brother. You see me I say? You have to think smart about your life, brother. You're entertainer, brother. You're not a bad man. And you see him one say it, artist are artist and bad man are bad man, brother. Use your words, brother. Work with what you say, brother. You see me I say? I tell you. You fear use other people's mistake, bro. Because to be honest, if you not do the right thing in a dance hall as a young youth, brother, you're going to go down the wrong road. You see me I say, my viewers and my subscribers. Him young, yes. Him talented. You see me? Whole heap of respect to him. See him way. Whole heap of big song him doing a dance hall. You see me? And I hope the rest of young artists them see him way out there, open up them eye. You see me? All of the one them where their names been calling up on all type of ranks. Brother, focus on the music. Yeah. Until next time, I'm out, my people.